You know what I noticed right now? I love this. So that's why I asked you what year. Look how proud they are of ABS. It's like, look at the new technology we put in this van. All right, this is Oliver's van. His second van, his other van, is this van right here, that lifted monster 4x4 parts from Ryan, DIY 4x4 conversion. And he recently got this thing. 6.2 G20? Are these G20s? Okay, 6.2 G20. I think they're like G40s too. I don't remember.
G30s.
Yeah,
G10s.
there it is. G10, G20, G30s. But this is a 6.2 diesel without a turbo.
Right.
So check this out. This is why I want to do this video. Your wife likes this thing, right?
She does. She really does. The other one attracts too much attention. This one right here is kind of like low and slow. And there's a lot of patina to it, a lot of original parts. It was well loved by the previous owner. I think we're the second owners, I believe. So really just got lucky again. But yeah, the wife loves it.
70,000 miles, right?
73,000 documented miles, correct.
So what he just said, like, yeah, it's not as flashy as his 4x4 conversion, but I think there will be a group that geeks out over this, right?
Yeah. Still gets thumbs up, she says, but I think mainly it's because of where we live and because of the fact that it's a diesel.
Yeah.
And you know, the age, it's in good shape.
Yeah.
You know, from inside out.
Let's take a look at this thing, man. I think the street's pretty quiet today. We're having an impromptu lifted van meet here. Northern California van meet. But a lot of things he was saying to me earlier was how much love they put into the interior, man. Wood trim, solid. It's all metal right here. Wood. It's actual wood, not plud.
Yeah, it's real wood.
Real, not
CD radio.
Yeah.
I haven't found nobody to talk to yet. But I'm working on it.
And we're not going to off-road this, so
Right.
you don't need this for the trails. This is it's going to be a street cruiser here.
Right. You know, there's no third row seat. It's really just a four-seater, and it's just the wife and I and our two kids. So it's the perfect amount of seats. There is no third row. So essentially, this is kind of like
It's a big four-door.
it's like a big wagon, you know.
Yeah.
Like it's,
And you said your wife likes wagons.
right. I mean, like she's more of like a crossover. You know, when I met her, she was driving a Matrix. So yeah, she likes the crossover type little small SUVs. But because we have two kids, you know, if you go out to lunch and then you got to get groceries or you go shopping, you know, strollers, bags, you run out of space to put stuff. You know, when
You're not running out of space in this.
Yeah, no. You know, we're able to not worry about having to cover our stuff and people not seeing it.
Not even a Suburban has this much space. And then he said this, like, the curtains match this, like, just love.
It's all original. Yeah. So I think the previous owner used this as like a camping rig. Just threw like an air mattress in the back. And just went fishing or whatever outdoor stuff he was into.
A lifted Ford van and just old school Chevy G van here. I like that, man. What year is this van?
This one's a 1993.
1993. I like
I
this.
don't have to smog it or anything. So if I do end up doing like a come-in swap, like a 4BT, or even if I put like a gas motor in here, I'm not saying that I'm going to, but I wouldn't have to worry about smogging it. So,
Nice. I like the walls.
yeah,
I like the walls a
not
lot.
stained or nothing, man. I mean, the carpet could probably use a cleaning, but you know, for the most part.
You know what I noticed right now? I love this. So that's why I asked you what year. Look how proud they are of ABS. It's like, look at the new technology we put in this van. Here's a car geek in me. So a lot of times, like a manufacturer like GMC, they'll put all their good stuff in like the Corvette, and then it'll trickle down to their normal vehicles. So ABS, man, that's when they're like, we're putting ABS in a van now. So it's really cool.
Yeah, and you know, I started to do like a dually rear end swap, and then decided to change course and got the rear end rebuilt, new posi put in, so got it re-geared.
And you said your wife, so 6.2 non-turbo diesel. So here's off the top of my head, you guys could chat GBT, Google Gemini this. I'm gonna say this has 120 horsepower and 250 foot-pounds of torque.
I don't know,
something
man.
like
It
that.
feels like 0 to 60 eventually, a day and a half.
I gotta
maybe.
race you with the tracker.
Yeah,
That'll be a good
listen,
race. We won't get in trouble.
right?
But you guys feel free to chat, GBT, Google Gemini. 120, 250. It still has 250 torque because it's a diesel, but non-turbo. But you said your wife doesn't mind how slow this thing is.
No,
That's
and then
awesome.
My buddy from BG Fabrications, he shout out to Brian. He put a dually rear end axle under it, and it didn't look half bad, but it was just more work than I was willing to put in. I still got some more stuff to do to the other van, and my wife doesn't want this lifted. She doesn't want it lowered. You know,
She does like
wants it-
the patina, the
she wants me to
OG
leave it
look.
alone. Yeah, I might put some mags on it. Just do like small things, like look at that exhaust tip, man. I
Yeah.
can't leave that.
You could chrome it out.
Yeah, no, I gotta.
The
Yeah.
practical side of me that's growing up, man, I say it is fine the way it is. I will side with
But-
your wife on that one.
I also did get a visor, the one with the lights. I ordered one of those off of eBay. I was able to find one.
That's nothing dramatic.
Yeah,
it's gonna look
I
good.
thought it looked pretty cool. I mean,
With the
obviously-
amber lights, right?
Yeah, well, see, that's the thing. Like, I got them smoked out like this. So
Oh, so you're gonna smoke them?
yeah, I got LEDs and the smoke lenses, and I gotta redo this.
So you're gonna clean it up.
I'm gonna clean it up, man.
Yeah.
Do some fender flares and like a lip on the bottom with a couple of lights. You know, nothing crazy.
You know, I do the lifted van meets, but man, have you seen how big those street meets are, man?
No.
They're huge. This will fit in more there. See, I talk about the lifted vans all the time, but there is some practicality in me. I'm looking at this. I'm saying don't put a turbo on it. Leave it original. Party like it's 1993.
And you know what? This is only like 2 inches longer than her car. So, you know, we were measuring it because she
Not
was
that much
intended-
longer.
Yeah, no, not at all. So finding a parking for it, it's not extended, you know.
Yeah.
I said it's 4-seater, so it's not too big. It's perfect for
Yeah, it isn't.
our
It isn't.
needs.
Yeah.
It's nice and short.
Could fit more stuff. Still a tall vehicle, even without a lift kit.
Yeah, heat, AC, power windows, cruise control.
Everything works too,
Yeah,
huh?
Everything works.
Nice.
I had to get a new windshield and a few other things. I mean,
Oh, you know what I'm thinking of? Since it's a GM van, the A-Team spoiler might look good on it too, if you could find one, man. Because it's the same body style.
Yeah, right.
That would
I
be
thought they drove a Ford. I don't know.
No, the A-Team is a Chevy,
Oh, is
man.
it?
That's why I never put an A-Team color scheme in my Ford. It's like, nah, I got, there's the purist in me, but the A-Team spoiler would look awesome on that, like, get it white. That's nothing dramatic, though, but I like it. It's cool. I have to film it, man. I have to film, see, I'll film lifted vans, I'll film stock height vans. Are they taking off? That's Joey's Forts van. There's my van. We're having an impromptu Northern California meet here. Sounds good. All right, man.